Solving a problem. Solving a problem has to do with 4 steps: understanding the problem, breaking down the problem, predict your solution, and debug. Knowing exactly what's being asked will help you to solve the problem quickly. Give your brain time to process the information and to analyze what the problem really is. Make a diagram of the project to get a bigger picture of all the things being involved. Can you explain the project in plain English? How will it look like from user perspective? A problem is sometimes difficult to solve because it contains many small problems. Think about how to solve a few small problems instead of one big problem. Try to break it down into smaller parts. Smaller projects are much easier to complete. Always begin with the easiest smaller problem you can solve. Predict your solution. Predict by ask yourself always, if I do this, then what will it return? Then run your code and see if it works. If it doesn't work, make a new prediction. If your prediction works, then you have solved the problem. Congratulations! Don't forget to make use of Google to help you making good predictions. Debugging is a way to find the bug by finding the exact error line. You can find the error line by reading the error messages, checking which line is not return what you're expecting, and following the flow from the user perspective.